Hello guys, Life Hackster here. Quick video today, and I'll be showing you how to install the Wyze Lamp Socket and set it up with the Wyze Cam V4. The Wyze Lamp Socket has been out for a while now, and it was made originally for the Wyze Cam V3 so that it can tap power from your outdoor lighting, mostly your sconce type of wall lights, to power up the camera. And you don't have to worry about routing cables to an outdoor power outlet. Fortunately, Wyze also made this lamp socket compatible with the version 4 of the Wyze Cam, and which is the one that we will use to connect to it today. And I've made several videos about the Wyze Cam V4, and I will link those videos in the description down below if you want to check it out. Inside the box, you will get some paperwork and the bulb socket itself. And on the side here, there is a rubber flap that covers the USB port, USB Type-A port. And it also comes with a cable, micro USB, to plug in the camera. This cable is designed to be low profile that when you plug it in, it will not stick out like a regular cable, which can limit the lights that you can install this with. Plus, it does protect the USB port from dirt. Also, the cable is thicker than the USB cable that the Wyze cameras comes with. The cable, by the way, is 30 inches or 2.5 feet in length. We have the switch sticker to remind us not to turn off the light. And we have some cable clips and screws. To set this up, make sure power is off, unscrew the bulb from the light, plug in the USB cable to the Wyze lamp socket, and screw it in onto your light. Then screw back in your light bulb. Use the included cable clips to route the cable to where you're going to install the Wyze Cam. Install the camera and plug it into the micro USB cable so that it can power it up. My critique on this cable is that it's a bit too long and also a bit stiff, so it is hard to do any cable management on it. It would have been nice if it includes a shorter cable, and this is the best that I can do. Time to flip the switch back on. Install the sticker near the switch. For the camera and the socket to work, it needs the switch to be always on. I personally use switch guards because no one will be able to turn off the switch unless you have something to poke it with. I'll go to my Wyze Cam V4 and you can see that the socket was automatically recognized and added. If you go to the live view, you now have an option to turn on or off the light. And because it is a Wyze Cam V4, you can still turn on or off its spotlights. Go to the settings, accessories, and you will see that the socket is installed. Click on it to get to the settings. You can actually link up to 5 Wyze lamp sockets so you can control them in a group. We have auto, on or off. Then we have dusk to dawn option, or only turn on when motion is detected and or sound is detected. You can also set how long the light will turn on if you have it activated when there is motion, from 1 minute to 15 minutes. Or you can also set it in a schedule or some automation. I've set the Wyze Cam V4 to turn on the lamp socket or the light when a person is detected. So let's check it out. Right here. Yep. Turn on the light and also turn on the Wyze Cam V4. And I should be getting a notification here in a bit. Here you go. Ooh. Just when the light turned on, you can see me right there. That's cool. Nice. A few things to note about this Wyze lamp socket. It is not waterproof or weatherproof. It has to be protected from the elements, like it has to be inside the light fixture. Also, its output is limited to 1 amp. That is why it is not compatible with the Wyze Pen version 3 or the Wyze Cam V3 Pro. I'm going to make a second video on this because you can still use this Wyze lamp socket with other cameras as well, not just the Wyze Cams. As long as it just needs a 1 amp or less power. You just have to add another thing. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.